What's going on, everybody? Jason here, and today we're doing another JDM car of the month. Definitely got a good car for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're here with this midnight purple R33 GTR, proudly owned by Joe over here. What year's the GTR?
She's a 95.
95. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. And we got a distinguished special guest today, Nismo. Yeah, you guys might remember this guy and his R33 GTR over there. He's gonna be filming a little video as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just walk around, check out this GTR, and then pop the hood. There's some goodies underneath, slightly modified, and then maybe go for a ride. Does that work?
Sure.
All right, sounds good. You said it's a 95. When are you out of here in Okinawa?
February 2021. So
2021?
25 plus a year by the time I get to take it.
Okay, so you'll be able to take it out of here. And it is a V-Spec model. And when did you purchase the car?
So I bought it pretty much as soon as I got here, so like 2 weeks after I got here.
Okay.
So February of 17, so 2 years ago.
February 17? Okay, yeah. When I got my 33, it was June of 17. So you're probably one of the first 33s around. I remember seeing Nismos when I first got here.
Right.
But there weren't a whole lot, right? You go to Cars and Coffee, and there would be
5, maybe.
Yeah, maybe 5, and then a whole bunch of 32s. Well, now the 33s are kind of taking over at all the car meets, so yeah, it's good to see 33s taking over. So some specs on this. So aftermarket wheels, were these on the car when you got it, or did you put these on?
Absolutely, on the car when I got it. Came with the car. I wish I could tell you what kind they are, but they're on here temporary anyway.
All right, we got the Brembos. All 33 GTRs came with Brembos. That's why it's a pro to get a 33 over a 32, right? 32, you got to get the V-Spec to get the Brembos.
33 is also faster, had a better port amount time, had a better durability.
Throwing shade at 32s. I like a 32 though. And I like the custom plate. You got the 33 plate. You're probably like one of the first ones to snag that up.
Maybe.
Oh man, I like the clear turning indicators.
Yeah, so they're clear with LED inside actually.
Nice.
So yeah, go for it.
And I like the smoke side lights. Are these Nismo?
Yeah, again, Nismo stock, but with LED upgrade.
Yeah, I definitely like the look of the car. I'm a huge fan of midnight purple. I like the black wheels, the smoked side indicators. Yeah, it's definitely a good color combo. Take a step back. Oh yeah, it's real nice. All right, so the thing I wanted to check out most on this car was right here, underneath the hood. Can we get the hood pop?
Yeah, let's do it.
So how long has the car been in the shop?
So it actually was down for about 4 months.
Okay.
So Nismo and I swapped the motor in it, and then we sent it down to the Speed Factory for a tune. So it was down there only a couple of weeks.
Drum roll.
4 months total for all of this.
Wow.
Sexiness.
Oh man. So specs on these turbos. Borg Warner.
Borg Warner 6758s.
Very nice. So what I really like about this setup, I mentioned before, a lot of the guys are doing big singles on their RB26s. I haven't actually seen the twin top mount setup in person yet. I know it's been done, but I haven't seen it in person here in Okinawa. A lot of guys are running the big singles, and that's kind of the go-to, but this setup is beautiful. Man. All right, what else? What else we have done here?
R35 swap on the ignition. So an upgraded modern ignition. We have radium fuel supply with a regulator.
Very nice.
Still stock manifold.
You know what I like about your manifold though? It doesn't have that chipping black paint that they all do.
So it's powder coated with Cerakote.
Oh, very nice.
So it's a heat coating
And a
powder
rust
coat.
and a rust prevention and everything.
Exactly. And it'll stay looking good with the powder coat. Like
Cerakoting, I know that's what they do to weapons to keep the
Exactly.
yeah, very nice.
Exactly.
Very nice.
So Cerakoted here, Cerakoted on the covers.
Man. Even the nice Nismo oil cap, you got the radiator cap. Little things, you know, I appreciate the little things.
For sure.
Koya radiator, big aluminum radiator.
Oh yeah. Need it for this.
Oh yeah. And I do like the clear timing belt cover.
Well, that's to show off the Tomei can be.
Oh yeah. Of course. Very nice. And is this aftermarket?
That's a 34 CAS. So the engine itself's out of a 34.
Oh wow. Okay.
So it runs a 34 CAS. Everything else about it is 34.
Nice.
Which doesn't mean much, you know. All the engines are the same.
Did it have the N1 turbos on there though?
It did not. It had no turbos, so I got just a long block.
Okay.
So long block was built with forged pistons. It's got Tomei studs in it, Tomei oil baffle in the bottom, Tomei cams. So pretty much all Tomei internals.
You know what size the cams were? Are they 260s?
They're 260s.
All right, yeah, this thing's beautiful.
Get the platinum racing products. The R35 coils there.
Yeah.
That's Super Tech.
Super Tech?
Yeah, Super Tech. I wish I had the PRP.
But those are the Super Tech
So when you got the
for the R35.
hood props here.
Yeah, hood props, so it made the titanium hood
Oh, wow,
prop
yeah.
unnecessary.
Oh.
But it's so beautiful, I just can't let it go.
Nice little engine ornament, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, this is kind of nice. I haven't actually seen one of these with this.
You can find them now. You can get them in black.
I see you got some Blitz coilovers on here, so a few
Yep.
suspension upgrades.
Again, came with the car.
Maybe fired up.
Yeah, let's do it.
And it's running the Tomei titanium exhaust. Same as Nismo's over here. Sounds good. Sounds real good.
Yeah, it's HKS downpipe and then Tomei all the way back.
So for the downpipe, is it a custom downpipe to match up with the twin top mount, or HKS actually makes one?
So HKS makes one to fit with a stock RB26, but the dumps are made for the car.
Okay.
So they made to a stock.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Nice. Who made the dumps?
They full race.
Full race? So is it a full race kit? Okay, full race kit. Now I've heard with the Evo guys, some of the full race kits take a lot of modification.
Not yet. Yeah,
So maybe just a heads up for anybody that does have RB26, R33, R32, and you're looking for a full race kit. What kind of modifications you guys had to do?
right, so here on the intake, it comes with the intake pipe, but you can see everything silver is what we had to modify. So just to get that bend a little better,
Okay.
we cut that up, reformed it. The dump actually works great. So dumps are good, manifolds are very, very tight. So trying to get a wrench in there to actually bolt them onto the block was a pain in the ass. Nismo can tell you about that. But yeah, other than that,
You have to make your own lines.
right,
Yes.
so no
Yeah.
water lines, no oil lines, anything like that. You have to get everything made.
But did they claim it was a full kit, bolt on?
Yeah, they claim it's a full kit.
Minimum modification needed?
Right, yeah. So they're up front, you know, they
Yeah.
tell you you're going to have to make your own lines and everything. But I didn't think I would have to worry about the
Oh, yeah,
intake
especially
pipe.
cutting the intake pipe. That should be given, right? If you think of R&D, especially on a kit, I'm sure you dropped a pretty penny on it. You think that the intake pipe would definitely be so, naughty full race.
Yeah, it runs on a Haltech Elite.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, see.
So still a little cleaning up to do. It's the can gauge, the Elite's up under the dash there.
Okay. I like how you kept it in the cardboard right there.
You played around with it?
Yeah, so it's
Oh my god.
and then you get a couple of pages. So you can have 8 different readings at the same time. And then you can set limits on everything as well, so it'll flash at you if you exceed oil temp, water temp, any of that kind of stuff. You can set boost limits and everything else.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it's really cool. Plug and play directly into the ECU.
Very nice. Where are you gonna get mounted?
Not sure yet. I'm thinking about doing something similar to a dash mount up here.
Okay.
But I kind of like the idea of hiding it in the glove box too.
Just pull it out when you need to tune or check anything, yeah. I don't see a lot of these, but he's got the gold plate GTR badge. Interesting. I see you got the Profect boost controller. I like these.
Right.
Because it works as a boost gauge as well, so you can kind of monitor a little bit.
Yeah, it does. We unplugged it for this application right now, just
Okay.
because I don't want it to affect the boost settings at all.
Nice. You got the Nismo white gauge cluster.
Came with the car.
320 clicks.
Nismo
Oh.
center gauge.
Very nice.
Oh, don't forget this guy here.
Oh yeah.
It's a little hard to find piece.
Oh, it is Nismo.
For the NOS.
So I'm sitting in the back of the GTR right now. Right now we got Nismo sitting up front. He's a little bit taller. And I've actually never ridden in the back of the GTR, so it's kind of
I'd rather ride it
nice back here. So we're just gonna go cruise around and see how this thing sounds.
I like so you can really hear with the twins, you can really hear that turbo spool up.
Well, you don't have any filters on there. It's just like open.
There's filters on there. Screens. Keeps the birds out.
Oh yeah, sounds real good. Hey,
Yeah.
Evo 5.
Let's see if we can get a little pull here.
You shooting flames yet?
I don't know. That's the guy behind me.
Yeah, right? I bet you were dying when you were
Oh,
TDY.
absolutely. I had 2 back-to-back TDYs,
Hey,
so not a lot of time to drive it.
I was pulling into Cadena Marina real quick. Unfortunately, it's a pretty crappy day out right now, and it still looks good out here though.
Always looks good out here. Which way should we go?
Why they got a little barrier up?
I don't know.
Good enough?
Yeah, it sounded real good. Felt good too. I hear that brap brap. It sounds so angry.
That's the first time I've really opened it up myself. I started getting excited.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for this Midnight Purple R33 GTR. Awesome car, Joe. Appreciate it. Thanks for taking the time to show the car and taking Nismo and I for a ride. Also, guys, if you want to go check his car out on Instagram, what is it?
KillaJoe.com.
KillaJoe.com. I'll post that down below. You go check him out and see some photos from the build and whatnot. He's got some other things that you're gonna be doing in the car here in the future, right? So
Sure.
definitely go check him out. Go check out Nismology.
That's right. That one.
Right there, go check him out. He's actually been posting a lot of good content, surprisingly. Not that your content's never been good, but like he'll make a video and sit on his camera for a year. So
I have a lot of shit on my
but yeah, we'll do one last walk around. Let me know what you guys think about this car in the comments below. Throw me a like, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. And also let me know what cars you guys want to see in future vids like this. I'm trying, yeah, you better say some good stuff. I mean, there's nothing bad to say about it. Unless you're a 32 owner and you just don't like 33s. I mean, that's the only thing I could think of. Because
don't like them because they're better. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna try to do more videos like this before I get out of here next summer. So let me know what kind of cars you guys want to see. I already got the 32. I got a GT4. I got a Super lined up coming up here in the near future. But some of the rare cars, I definitely want to do a Pulsar GTR. You got one. You got one. But we're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, just let me know. And thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.